Sysnet. Welcome to Sysnet System and Solution Private Limited. We believe in together we can make it. Core vision is positioning ourselves as a preferred service partner for all IT needs. The mission is combining our experience and technology to exceed client expectations. Our core value embraces customer focus through excellence in quality of service and meeting their expectations. Teamwork that includes one team, one company, and to succeed as a united force is predominant. Integrity, that is our way of life in dealing with clients, partners, and staff. Optimism is in our blood and hope to reach greater levels of achievement. Last but not the least, innovation is our continuous process that range from any IT products to services. The IT landscape is changing very fast, and for companies to become the next generation business, they need to deliver on 4 key areas: efficiency, effectiveness, visualization, and innovation. And at Sysnet, we'll ensure you are. Our infrastructure services range far and wide, and each is always tailored to your unique processes. So whatever you choose, you know you're getting the most from your service. Ask for more details when you are connected with our team, a professional organization established in year 2004 in Singapore, with branches in Dubai, Malaysia, and India. ISO 9001 certified ICT solution provider.